Namaste. A warm welcome to you all. I'm Jayapalashri on Samskara Healing. I'm known as a spiritual healer. Many of my clients call me their angel. I'm also known for my shamanic practice and as a shamanic practitioner or a shaman, priestess. I go with various titles, but nevertheless, today I'm here as Jayapalashri talking about shamanism. As I talk about shamanism, let me first introduce myself to you. I'm from Bangalore and my practice is very much in Bangalore. Thanks to our current situation and to various things, today I've gone completely online and made it easy, which helps me access clients from all across the world. Shamanism is very dear to me, and I started shamanism about 7 years ago. It came as an interest and curiosity as the subject was introduced to me. Today I wish to talk to you about shamanism with what shamanism is to me, as what my teachers would say. It is not about what you preach globally what shamanism, it is what shamanism for you. So for me, shamanism is the way of life. It makes me who I am. It's part of me. It's helped me imbibe important aspects of life to understand myself better. It has helped me be more assertive, the importance of setting boundaries, connecting to my soul, understanding the importance of soul calling, valuing relationships, knowing how certain relationships are there for what reason, knowing the aspects of death and what is there after death. Various fears in my life, I have been able to overcome them and heal them with the aspect of having shamanism in my life. There is a lot of myth about shamanism, and in shamanism we say it's the call of the spirit. And when we say the call of the spirit, we mean the divine supreme energy. It goes with various names. So, is shamanism a religion? It's a religion by itself, but no, for me shamanism is not a religion. It's the way of life. It's a path of spirituality which helps you understand the importance and also helps you have clarity of thoughts, helps you understand what certain things and why certain things happen in your life. It helps you move into an altered state of consciousness, and through that you connect to your angels, guides, masters, whatever name you want to give them, and they bring in beautiful messages to you. We connect to various kind of issues and it can be worked on. So, like I said, for me, this has been my transformational journey. When I learned shamanism, it was like the final thing for me. I have had many people asking me if I've learned that and this. No. Because shamanism has transformed me to being who I truly am today in front of you. If I can talk to you as a confident person looking into the camera, it is thanks to shamanism. By nature, I was a very shy and an introvert person, and forget talking on a camera, that would have never happened. But today, I stand confident. I can address people confidently. I am able to speak about various issues. It's only thanks to me learning shamanism. I do not let go of learning my other healing modalities, but this is the core essence of making me understand who I truly am. I've had beautiful teachers teaching me shamanism. With their blessings and their guidance, today I reach out to conduct my own workshop, and this is going to be my second workshop which I'm conducting, and I wish to conduct it in person because conducting it in person carries that much more energy and essence to it. I'm conducting the workshop this October 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Reach out if you'd like to know more details. You could be working on various issues. Sky is the limit. It could be relationship issues, it could be issues pertaining to illnesses, it could be issues pertaining to issues like loneliness and depression, and or else you may just feel lost in life and not know what you truly want. So this is something which you could look at, because it truly helps you when you understand the concept of your journey. So if you feel the call, if you have the call, and if you feel connected to what I'm saying, and if you are in and around Bangalore, or you are planning to come to Bangalore during these days, do drop in a text, and my details are going to be put along with this, and I would be more than happy to give you the details and the pricing and everything for the workshop. And you don't need to have any particular previous experience. Nothing is needed. All you need is the will and the interest to learn. And you do not have to become a healer, but you could learn this and bring it into your day-to-day life, which would help you in your journey, where you would be able to handle and accept your life as you move forward. So this is my little talk on shamanism, and I hope to have many of you joining my workshop, which is coming up soon. Until then, I thank you for being part of this and even watching this video as I speak a little about shamanism, and more to follow when you join my workshop. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Lots of blessings and light. Thank you.